Alright, Siama, it's here for Aquaba and Ne Ereba Acro Life. So, Sabino, watch your brain now. Abono num apa husima ebiasa. From now to say ebebo no nsiano Acro Life Sports say no ebreno asesa kakranti etie for say yang enyi ebreno ho ankyere mu a ene no chelpa ewo honum enti no Acro Life Sports say no ye de aba efiada ene no abo no num apa husima ebiasa no Acro Life Sports ana ye de ebremu me a medi dwumedie no ho chia me Krobia Asante ne wobete Nana Kwame Amponsa edi chairman nankasa ewo ho saa nso na ne no special guest ono so abeka yensa ono so echiri no ye beda no ho edi akire etiefo amamu dwumedie no TY Barbering Saloon ana womo eso yase na ene no ye de Acro Life Sports no ebremu enti no wobekọ Facebook na wa search Acro Life now so wait to me I like page no ewo ho to me a follow na wager or comment or and then no share football no across the world ye be local any amonone and some no and then no Spanish La Liga yengu champions no Real Madrid as at Endrano wamutumi enya da win over Villarreal no Abasa losing to Osasuna no Madrid etumi ewini La Liga no ewo ho a ye behwe ho asem aka Premiership ni nso no EPL no eno so emu ayedinyi papa sabi no Liverpool already champions a sese no ye hwe top 4 race no ana emu ayedin wo ho United ebo ni game sa nso ana Sheffield and Leicester no nso wo nso ebo wo game Nana Kwame Amponsa ede emu chechem Serie A no nso no emu ayedinyi papa eno nso no mobete eho enka ewo ho no mo oba Ghana hanum nso a enei no FIFA sika na ebai no sene awomo ebechiche no ni nyinara ewo ho a GFA tumi ahihye bibia ewo ho no pepepe Glorious Accra House of Folk omso Pobiman project no enenum se omo ahye dwuma ase a bibia ede di pefe se sabiri yide enye se dia wode wo kati sword na echiri no 10 years na ente ho hwe bi o enedi omo sipi se for the 15th time Glorious Accra House of Folk akati sword ewo Pobiman no enedi omo astarte edwuma no ewo ho sanso na Ghana so ate asemde Nordland abrantie na ofiri Ghana Mohamed Kudus no ene ono so enya big transfer e de aba European top flight ni mu a eno so no mobete nka ewo ho Nana Kwame Amponsa edi de tidbits around the world of sports no ebebremu ewa ha enche no yebekọ na yan akwaje tidbits no efi Nana Kwame Amponsa ho in the short minute no na yen ehu se dia yebekọ ena meka cho no ye Acro Life Sports ana sabi no ebre no asesa kakra ntia ye sima enum biasa pepepe ekopim no sia no Acro Life Sports sabi fiada bia no ye de ebebrem Wilfred Osekweku Palmer nanka sabi no enne fiade yanka Ghana yen ehu ye left and right say ye ba beto abafofro ana say Palmer no womu fuaso we di nkuku ewo ho no enne ananka eba na nso no ya say FIFA we no cast fo no agenda case na enne no details ni nyina no ye de ebrem enti stay tuned Nana Kwame Amponsa ede tidbit no ene emu dodo na ebebre etifo.
Alright, yawa akwa ereba Acro Life so ene no I go kensi mu nsem ana ya jefena ya de ebro because e dia mete so Nana Kwame Amponsa di ekopon de set back up na nsem ana afin so no your local news so no tidbits around the world of sports ana ya jefena ya de ebro na yes nsem na se no e be so ase area fi the English Premier League and other games do na eto jaw England and Mountain so ana afin so the Spanish Premier Liga na ko pie mo England na games na eto jaw no e bi ne bobo a eni Sheffield United and Leicester City and the boy na Kensi no ko na we na Leicester City Achibo kwa ni na Sheffield abona ka mienu a ni Sheffield United enso no entimi ante stance na ko pie mo our games na Manchester United yes another omotibo kwa ni Crystal Palace abona ka mienu a ni Crystal Palace no entimi ante Brantia ni Marcus Rashford SCO Samson Anthony Martial ono so SCO Arema Manchester United afin so no Southampton at St Mary's and we kwa ni Brighton and Hove Albion about 1-1 ewo na big game and Southampton omunya draw ewo Samson Goodison Park and Everton at na Fiona Aston Villa about 1-1 so no ewo start game ni mo na afin so no ugo pure Italian Serie A ma say na now anyhow nyama ekọ Torino etibo kwa ni Genoa abona ka miensa Genoa entimi ante Samson Spal at na Fiona Inter Milan ekọ ball na ka pore na ni Spal no went to Mantia. Yes, confirmed, Spal, and you know, relegation. Our the Italian Serie A. Now compete with the Spanish Premier La Liga Santander. Bobo Kwani Nini Eba, Etinafi, Real Valladolid, a boy, I come in some Valladolid, that's Timba, Athletic Bilbao, Nationality, and my Liga is never changing trying to come, you know, Bilbao, and to me, shocking results. I will South FC Barcelona, I'm going to the Stadio de Camp Nou, and my Osasuna, and the boy, I come, you know, and my Netimu Bacolera, Messi, a Bogo de Ma, Barcelona, and so near my farmer, Barcelona, and you know, I'm going to lose to game, our South Robertis, and to the film Deportivo Alaves, and Cobo, and come, you know, and Timu Bacona, Field, Bogo, and the start of the Vigo, and Fima Levante, so I said, I come here, so my start of the Vigo. Joseph Fedu, Bobo Kono, a Timu Mienu, and also in Tema Bobo Banat. Let's go to Madrid. I got to hit off it. A boy, I come, you know, went to me and Branta, and any Thomas Step Party, as she goes, I give him a South Real Mayoka, that's not my Granada, Cobon, and come, you know, Manetimu Bakuna, feels a big game on Etuja, our star here, Friday, the Stefano Sports Stadium, Real Madrid, Los Blancos, and another much Yellow Submarines, Villarreal, a boy, I come, you know, Manetimu Bakua, Branta, leading, and the carry Mustafa Benzema, and the ball, two goals in now, and the Mabu Kwanidi, and the Real Madrid, and Real Sociedad, that's not Fiona Sevilla, a boy 0-0, and a crack Real Valencia, and Espanyol, a boy, I come back when in Espanyol, so and to me, and to one of my name and some Bubana, that's what Spain, Bobo Kwanidi, and the Real Madrid, and other, almost me, we need a Spanish Premier La Liga, and then push you, and then the 34th, yes, Spanish La Liga, Santander Trophy, you know, much much 34th leg, you know, I want my name, and the J. Abepimo, El Madrid, Club, and yeah, that's what Madrid are catching on captain, and Planta, and the Sergio Ramos, now Ramos, and in some edit to just say, I want to win La Liga, and we know about the Buano, now Prince, contract extension, you know, but to my extent, at Real Madrid, Sergio Ramos Garcia, and their captain at Real Madrid, and also at the San Seven, edit to your century, you know, then they bet you, Sanko retire, or Real Madrid are catching, you know, and before about the transfer fees, contract on San Seven, or the Tuja, and Amona Branta, and the Sergio Ramos, as San Seven, and a president at Real Madrid. The Eddie Florentino Perez, and so actually was Anne Ramos, captain Papa Pantenino, on the contract to Bemano, that feels so much to bit my retire, and Real Madrid catcher, and also in summer, Yadi my team for Nico PM, Barcelona captain, Lionel Messi Andres, on also in summer to just say, another loose no Aqua Adiamomo, on no doing we are Barcelona, and to manage the Spanish La Liga. So we know any performance of players maybe put you on the field of player on Genius FC Barcelona Puno a bit to qualify ahead of Napoli, Lionel Messi, so and it's answer area to Jana Barcelona catch be a normal legend and Rivaldo and Can no see Academy Bobo Kuno and a Brazil legend or in some area to just say Osha performance at FC Barcelona and I don't done our game against Osasuna and just Barcelona a bit to qualify ahead of Napoli on Sono and it's answer and the Atuja Yeri mighty for the Manchester United catching on defenders me and you want to Copra look so and I Brandon Williams and then grab watching Anja for the rest of the season and Manchester United to be Jeremu in Siaka and former Manchester United the Bobo. They have to answer to be Arsenal the Gunners and our striker Brandon Gabriel Martinelli. A Brandon to me for the rest of 2020 a Brandon to be Jeremu Siaka and former Arsenal the Gunners. Obeba at January baby and Arsenal doctors and also at the San Stefano at the Atuja Yeri MI team for Nico Paris Saint-Germain catch PSG and over in some edit to your Thomas striker. Edison Cavani and Matador, almost shared himself Brandon Nelson. I'm trying to win German Siaka for PSG and Leonardo, and also the San Stefano Atuja MI team for Uncle Piemo, our Lily Metropole catch on striker and Nigerian international and Victor CM and in Napoli for Chima 81 million euros almost every and a copy of Lily Metropole catching up Victor CM, but my signing also be Jeremu Siaka and Napoli, the MI for and crack money and fence to Chelsea catching Frank James Lampa and in some edit to just a branch and in Golo Cantino. Branton to Copra. Their game against Manchester United on Sunday, and Barcelona, our FA Cup in a Branton into me and Jeremy Siaka, and Santa Billy Gilmore, and also Brown, so into me and Jeremy Siaka, Frank James Lampard, head coach, and my Chelsea, and also the Santa and Eddie Atuja. Young Fancy, now feels so, MVP with Fisher Moody and Brantia, Lady Eddie Mohamed Kudus. When you saw Ghana and this year, Academy, the Black Stars of Ghana, and then Crab Boba, and also wanted and I confirmed. Branton Akopin wa Ajax Amsterdam, Okwa Kosina Kai, and then Bobu Koneka Mohamed Kudus 17, and Canano, no Sinakai, and Nogeland. Our Denmark and Branton, Bunaketim, and then Amsterdam, yes, no big General Sakai, and then Ajax Wana, Mohamed Kudus, by Ghana in this year, and also 19 years of age, and this is PM and 9 million euros, and this Kayas for Tebria Brantiano, when I be PM or Akacha, and also, and then the Bonnet, 50 million, himself, and I know that, and I got to FA elections. before that na normalization for and then take control na mo hwe bibia ma ne ama ko yere ma Ghana football na normalization for at the vetting committee say na mo hwe contestants and candidates on beto mu jane to on so aba the likes of Edwin Okreku Samson Fred Papo Munya Amanda Clinton mi amenipa ogojina mu ewo ho no vetting na vetting committee na so which we disqualify papa they work for the sake of Kupama papa na ntiase Otebiri erikopie mu FIFA catching na FIFA san butia no ne ho wansa nte ne ho ase ama ne Otebiri kopie mu yes kwana se cas ana papa no Otebiri kopie mu a ano no nsem a ene ebobo ache mu se mpanyifo atena se ama mo di asem ya kasa results na se verdict no ebeba ene no work for the sake of Kupama versus Ghana Football Association case no mpanyifo tu ada akose the 4th of August 2020 na fin so no verdict no ebeba ene no nsem a ye di MIT for Palmer so no GFA akache na ya so GFA akache no what that $1.8 million and then pay for sika ede almost aka ede FCAF ana pay FIFA COVID-19 relief fund ni mu a ene sika be film a ye che sika no ene ye becheche ede ma the various clubs a ewo Ghana Premier League teams no Samson na Division 1 teams Division 2 juvenile football women's football and on sas jumeko nya no almost betima kasika Samson na security service sports no yes sports security service no more Ghana the immigration service police service prisons service no omo musi akan ewo Ghana hanom no omo se beche sasika ni bi na ebi so akoso Samson na of Ghana sika bi ebe ko on da na 20 sa $1.8 million no the 24 just say ni o beche sasika no do bia aka ne de ewo na yere ma Ethiopia na yenka yara so Ghana mante ho nsensem no ene kopie mo Ethiopia na video bi beto abonten arepa ye Ghana mante ni omusu say ni omo ho kire omo awo Ethiopia monte so ta ban no any Ministry of Youth and Sports emblem no mbebo omo ene aban ati omo su fra tese momome ana mante to omo kire so ane aban no ankasa aba omo afema ene bie enwumi pepepe ne no si abebo no mante be fi Ethiopia afi so be mo man konkro Ghana ma the likes of Mutari Tego Liadi no abi pure man konkro Ghana ma ene nsama ni the stranded players no mo Ethiopia no so no yare eka form na hat to folk CEO papa ne di Frederick Moore or the somebody that just say yes Podman project no ekoso enada obura kete ne kopie o Podman do do one ne ni ati won say juma no ekoso Podman tene no o de abaso bokese ma KA Estate Limited no me constructing firm ne no musi Podman project na fizo bon obaso no say supporters ne no on pampa ebo and time never stay down to the bones are rotten hat to folk achi tena ba niam so no ebeko yi ane ne CEO ma hat to folk and the Frederick Moore no so no e ya tuja ya first na face no embre fi na fe fisem no and as a discussion so no ento aso ma me ka say me amede ensem ne be ono me dia ne na kwa me amponse ne ko no ame tu ntia fama na na fi aketi owo sanso na Pamela we share show the live our UK ame je makro bia sante na aka no fanka o mai
yeda Nana Kwame Amponsa edi as he said or the tidbits around the world of sports no abrem Martin Semuni Pinti no ebre edu say yede discussions no ye be pense nsem na mahu the details e what tidbit na or the brem nimu na ye nche won no ene guest or special guest pa or abranti a woti ni din na mun say ojina ne na nso yi papa branch aye fe no Baswayi ono ana ene no oye yen guest ono so eba tutu na enu ntu e wo ha no ba sisi ano ye nche no ye mo TY Barbering Saloon ase omo egbo ejuma yi TY Barbering Saloon omo egbo ejuma nenu Akro Live no so ekoso ubetumi akọ YouTube Akro Live GH na won so wetumi enya videos no playback ni other videos we nya anhwe no ukọ Akro Live GH e wo YouTube won so wetumi enya programs ni nyina no ahwe e wo ho mun say akenkan no eguso ara ekoso programs be free ekoso nti no won dan mo ni na mon kọ Akro Live GH e wo YouTube na won so wetumi enya programs ni bi ahwe e wo ho ene no Nana Kwame quick no mun say every enche the
no say there special guest that was studio ni Batman Baswayi yes
na no Chelsea did na say here upgrade Baswayi na say dey Ghana Baswayi
Chelsea Chelsea fan.
Oh okay. Oh really? Oh okay.
The man made say no at home so na me ya dey o I go get the ball kakra.
Oh okay.
That's a football and the fan. So that's a new model. I wish I was anything outside the Japan.
Okay. What a Japan. Steven Nka aka Baswai what in Nka into no every year kwa yɛn anim no ɔno so ɛbɛma details no ɛma discussions no ɔno so ɛde ahyehyɛ so ɛwɔ quickly no maame ma wo 2 minutes Syria A no ɛnɛ no Juve mo sɛ runaway wɔ mo wohwɛ nea last year no mu nea ade ɛyɛ yi a mo sɛ league na wɔn nso wɔn akyi na sese no de Liverpool ɛne Bayern wɔn kɔ dada ɛnbra no Madrid nso etumi ewini the Spanish Premier La Liga no ana sese top 4 no so ɛwɔ EPL ne mu no 3 minutes on fire ɛka ne nyinaa ɛwɔ.
Alright, currently I'm in that possibility na fin so minchi a ekopom adisi nyinaa obi a wanya abere no share live on Facebook or say na and that form say the over say all time na share live on Facebook ma mi chi obi bia ɛwɔ hɔ no na but must start say earlier few the Italian Serie A no we share Juventus team na ɛwɔ hɔ na and you know I would say inconsistencies on adults ɛwɔ Juventus team ne mu but Lazio the likes of Lazio Inter Milan Napoli I don't know and you know performance na can you should say what is such challenge you know about Juventus or the Italian Scudetto you know and for me man this season because so Lazio was chasing Juventus but getting to the end when I said the later part of the season you the performance of Lazio losing 3 consecutive games I don't know to me and ball Juventus relaxed although they were losing but were fairly relaxed there. Still now they can win the Italian Scudetto. So for me, I think say in Juventus it's done for them. Say you know winning the Italian Scudetto. They've won it already in advance. So I'm
now, which points as you see, I Atlanta.
Atlanta for me informed
we have yes 5 matches to play. I don't know you have 15 points boom. Mathematically no, what they ever can Atlanta 15 points no say to me Jenny now the kind of points on. Nabia Juventus nso no etumi elusi the other 5 matches and I say 4 krana and also to me ma Atlanta edge over Juventus.
In football anything can happen but for this one I don't think say Juventus will lose 4 or 3 games in their 5 games now Akano. And Atlanta yes fantastic they are doing well this season after say on feet break this season they've scored 92 goals. Our the Italians the whole Europe team has more goals now. Atlanta the top be alongside Bayern Munich. Our 92 goals our Europe I would say plus the likes of Palace and money Duvan Zapata they are scoring. Yes, LSH one the likes of your friends
Mario Gomez
they are scoring goals a lot of goals. So I think say I'll give them credit for the kind of performance I'm gonna put out the Italian Serie A in Namabo but to say Obabecha Juventus, anything can happen though, but the likes of Mauricio Sarri, which are experienced at Okra in terms of coaching, they need also winning the first Scudetto, our one man, also winning titles and former Juventus now. I think say Nyadi will lose this leg title to any other club, our the Italians here. I think the Juventus they've won their leg and no doubt about that. Congrats to Atlanta saying performance on the day very very brilliant. Lazio very disappointed in them. Samson and Bobo Kane Inter Milan very disappointed because we share the likes of players and Omabe Pion Bobo Kuno Omuntumi and deliver we share the kind of coach Antonio Conte. I was really expecting much from them but Ninya Kemfano I'm for my Inter Milan. AC Milan after the breakthrough they are doing really well. Winning against Juventus, our plus I think the Italian Serie A as a whole this season are very fantastic. But Juventus definitely they will win the Italian Serie A. Obashemu over the Spanish La Liga. Rather Real Madrid they were crowned champions. Mami Boma Basso, they deserve to win the Spanish La Liga.
Yes, La Liga title.
Yes. I don't know to push you more. I think say congratulations to them. They deserve it. FC Barcelona very sloppy this season over the Spanish La Liga. And I wouldn't blame the and I said maybe problem the players. Then we may blame the board of FC Barcelona led by Papa and Mario Bartomeu. This season Barcelona had everything to win the Spanish La Liga. Before they were leading until they drawing against Sevilla and Atletico Madrid. I would say the performance of the players. Then board, and they worked on the likes of Atemelo from the team and bringing in a 30-year-old Marilyn Pjanic. Very bad. I think the board in India way affected players indirectly, but the Nippon is they will say Messi or his own Shego. Messi can score as much as he wants. But anyway, not the team, and I say the togetherness of the he can't win trophies. Because after the game, on some Wakasa, inquiring to me, yes, and inquiring to me, so we need the effort of some other players, the likes of the friends like Antoine Griezmann. For me, Luis Suarez is done at FC Barcelona. Next season, I don't want to see him at FC Barcelona. The likes of Abrante, Ivan Rakitic should be out of Barcelona.
Even when you know Sisiano Obi to say Abrante Busquets. No, I don't know. I can say a better thing say Sisiano Bepam back. Yes, that's what we did. We Busquets here player next season no. Coach the performance this season now which was Saturday when he has
Gerard Piqué done at Barcelona. So I think the likes of Ansu Fati, Ariel Honomo, John Kett, Todibo Nomo, defenders, fantastic defenders are which will be
started training now. It's only preseason. Well,
in all, Barcelona are really lacking a whole lot of things. But I think it's a main focus should be on the board. The board must go, Bartomeu must go, Abidal must go. That feels so. Yeah, the likes of Jean Laporte, way back when before Barcelona, but what me winning the La Liga and Champions League, you know. What do you find out from best supporting FC Barcelona? So congratulations to Real Madrid. Better luck next time for FC Barcelona. English Premier League yesterday, and Manchester United to be winning, but they've won a whole lot of games, but still a fit position. So for me, I think that they are doing well. The likes of Abrante, Bruno Fernandes. People Manchester United in Yamakuyi and my Branton and Osher goals assist another chaps are born about Marcus Rashford and Anthony Martial. They were really going down during the first round, but this season especially after the break, you know, they are really doing well. Abrante and Mason Greenwood, fantastic chopper, and you know, born on the ball. That means that coach and only gonna associate them a chance, you know, that feels for managing them. I think it's Yamakuyi and but Chelsea, Manchester United, Leicester City struggling for top 4. I think it's a very interesting. And also fixtures for these three teams now. And we are doing, I don't know 3 teams in here, but I think the best teams, you know, would be in the top 4. For me, Manchester City and Liverpool, they are out of it. And in 2 now, can tell the 4th position, you know, and it's acquired team. And I'm at Chelsea, Leicester, and Manchester United. But I think the best teams, you know, between where we're top 4 with them.
Na Nana Kwame Aponsa ana ode nchirechire mu no won say wama mu details na ya Madrid to me winning the Spanish Premier La Liga no over FC Barcelona no wati ni nyina e wo ho na no ye wo Batshuayi e wa ha Batshuayi in the next 2 minutes no Europe La Liga e wo ho Serie A or EPL top 4 challenge no e so e wo ho in the next 2 minutes no FIFA sa games no
me da say enya akonya between many Serie A and FF. I think that this season started, you know, Juventus started here. It wasn't a 2-horse race left between Napoli and Juventus. We had the likes of Atalanta Bergamo, SS Lazio, all pushing towards to win the Serie A. But as it seems along the line, you know, I don't know whether inexperience was caught up or something. Because the attention was shifted. And Juventus say quite the experience. And the very teams said SS Lazio, and then Atlanta. He says, "Baby, Juve about doing it. I bet them. So bad and Mobaya hands Atlanta, and I said SS Lazio about John. Aquabuji Serie A no. I think back also I mean the way out by Inter. Looking at the recruitment of Moya, Christian Eriksen, no money are there. Experienced coach Antonio Conte. Na Edu baby na just a point gap na very close. I don't know along the line one attention shifting few or performance in the form. And madden Juventus enya kwan e betwe mu. Na baby a Juve aba bedu no dey. Enya easy say wearing obeya high say wearing Atlanta na say SS Lazio wo me dey wo me fa ho. E ko je league no. To be dey say baby a Juve aba bedu no dey league no.
Wo be san na je league no.
Na yoko Spanish La Liga so Madrid abo won body
and I want to be
you won body papa the fourth La Liga title it was easy when Ronaldo left we all thought that was the end of Madrid, but looking at the performance of Karim Mustafa Benzema, Sergio Ramos and the entire crew they put out a very good performance and they deserve it. What I can say, they deserve it. And looking at the performance Barcelona also put out, I think the Barca problem it lies in the board. Bartomeu needs to be started. I think the Joan Laporta Samba Biema team number 5 players bebree wɔ ha wɔ performance na perform Gerard Piqué no Arturo Vidal no nyinaa Sergio Busquets itimi tɔn Atamelo na ɔgya Gerard Piqué no Arturo Vidal no nyinaa ɛsɛ Rakitic nneɛma nkɔ yi sɛ na mo bɛkɔ Champions League no mu
and Messi and Gasaka, or you made mention of Napoli. I want it was match commenting.
What do you mean, baby? Sorry, Pastor, I feel Barcelona because
and I think grassy who still true crowd Napoli. And yet, by minute, audience because there's no way me Chelsea said that magic end to me AC this time. Oh, that might end to me.
Madrid, one put a very good performance. They deserve it. I think say Omaya de La Liga almost a fata. Now, Oko Premiership no man. They say the man heading. Yeah, now you are a cast. The rule in the buy concerning Man City, Barney or Man left. I think the Man City a good set on Marca Champions League. They had a very good experience looking at their previous performances. Free almost 30 years. To one year. Now, last two now can make it is Chelsea and Man City,
Man United,
and not over Leicester City are good because I think in America, Leicester should any experience playing Champions League. Man United have the players, the finances and all that. Chelsea also do have the same thing with the sign of Timo Werner, Kai Havertz on his way, and Hakim Ziyech. I believe the Champions League Leicester, we did say top 4 there. Me imagine United
and Chelsea should still true than said Leicester City. Okay. Now they are Bashwai and so or they can no Juventus who cause Sierra Lima omo ebe to me every ni Sierra no this season and so Annette said Barcelona after say one more to me this season league say board no say one pay bibi kan emfa wo say dia na kwa me e kan any players ni bi wo a say one enja wo kwan na wo pay players a wo gina wo na so wo betumi aboa Barcelona team no the next season na ye ba be wure mu no ye TY Barber Saloon ana sabi no wo so ya se na ye de Apple Live Sports no Ebremo Sabri Apple Live so betumi akọ Facebook na wakọ search wo konso a na wo comment so ato pepepe na yan akenkan abudin ma obi aso ehu bebi a won so wo hwe Apple Live no efi ho nsem kakra ewo fie Palmer in any case no what say na Kwame edit to ga say ene no kasefo no agenda nsem bebre ana efri echiba Mohamed Kudus ono so etumi enya da transfer no etumi akopie ayasa Ghana nyina obi a eni ade ayehwe ho se bibi pa ebetumi epie mu ho na Kwame efie nsem wo ho nsem wo fie
Mamisha say FFP Mohamed Kudus very very brilliant.
Oh, Abraham said let's say who got training issue better yeah transfer no Jenny bin wo oye papa
I know him personally. Yes. From under 17, you know.
Yeah.
I can't remember say Koforia Sektek, some sports be and I'm no. At time left-footed player born on him, but little bit PM or Pram I started with the national under 17 training tourney. So I really know Mohamed Kudus. I want right to dream player.
But I was starting here, then I'm will be
yes.
Old news across at time goes
yes.
When coach na munde ya ye muso pass say and no any
products of football. So I think say Ocean growing up now the first call of Black Stars when you go and my Black very fantastic goal against South Africa or Cape Coast and from there no we're showcasing the talent our Nigerian and you know Obobia across Europe Obia to mission and you know what I say we Fred golden boy nominate you know na Branton there eka we are seeing Ocean performance Nigerian very fantastic. I think say Ziyech if you want I am one say yes for meetings those were pay Mohamed Kudus, I said I am a brand only ball. To be frank, only ball. Left-footed player, on
the left side with me about the number 10 rule with me
about after the signing, someone kind of just say, why he has come to play football. As all kind of say, I'm ready to play football. And we have no BNS Abrante.
We know a very plus.
Yes, and I think say young players like our I think say 1 year or I'm on the bonus won't pay our own. You say, pay your own so Kakana, Yamaku, and so congratulations to Mohamed Kudus. Our ass moving on. And now, come here in some more. Yes, now we're trying to sell for Pama.
Maybe say, near my bin now, cinema, adjustment here to me by you. And your fact, because that's my Man City case, no, and then I'm a case in the bag.
I know I expecting the
benefit about
Wednesday. I expect that, but the change, really need to buy any courts of arbitration for sports. The 4th of August. And I was, because you're man, 4th August, but I'm also looking at another angle. Say, case of Palmer at the fair, is it a genuine case? And I was a genuine case. Or when you're assuming to know the Koyana, they disqualify him from contesting as an FA president. Time and normalization. I will honor the likes of Keto Krekununia contested or by the intimate disqualified. Reasons I disqualified Palmer was say Okoton player, Sky saw the bread FA, per their articles on the rules and regulations, when it's going to ask number, but also, and I feel so. I think FA local court, it's your regulations now, you're having football. Our Nina Calvina, Dr. Kofi Amwa, a Unifimo, I was processing him. I'm also the call cast. So much to channel about Sanas, but baby, I don't know. I think we are Ghana football at a crucial stage. But I know game changer, Keto Kreku. Niamo Diego Aquema for Ghana football one. I think that he's really doing well. I will hold my name as one economy. Because now it's Yaya coming of 11 wonders. Ocean is someone of Ghana. Papa Ray, I say a support. But I say I know decision in in favor of Kwakupama. Yes, Kate, I resign. Because yes, I call another extraordinary Congress.
Decisions never on so no. They got 3.
Yes,
and no, back on the me out.
What the Palmer says, that's well we say, obeying to him. Palmer and someone can also obeying to him.
They were Ocasano because you always me back one thing and and
obeying to him. And it's about decisions about whether it goes the way of Ghana Football Association, and I said, I call Edema. Palmer can still need another how because I call my CFA Palmer Beville say you Ghana football and I say FA and in NTD and way
you bring that man as a Paul
or support any decision from this administration. So I call Edema Palmer now very difficult Edema get to continue his work because I saw resign work for extraordinary Congress. Then you have affected even the executive council was it true that somebody elected the executive council? It says a time for back. You have started all over. I mean, I Ghana football. So I think the young chain cast decision on about edging, but young chain near cast and so about yeah, day anyone yet to me. I can't area for the Becca. I found the young chain, yeah, ready, young chain. I was there.
But me said, many I mean, when said, Pama, a bedding kunim, but to bedding kunima, the me say, what man on the not say. The next any election possible. If you want to
I don't think they got cast with
FIFA and okay. No maybe send a Ghana football at brain. I bet do something. Normalization better not be.
For the past I think 3 years or 2 years, I said I'm more Premier League or Ghana, Bob Papa Bia or Ghana. So I didn't say you check the decision I cast, but a quick one. Our COVID-19 relief fund and if you find a from Yadiaba. I didn't say women's football is to be free. It's as you said $500,000 FIFA was meant for women's football. And then that's a one car boom and a car for them. I don't want to tell you 50,000. I'm a mere Russo. But I think that GFA Russo here on another aspect, I agree with them. Say, and you have mere football one year Ghana. You ball men's football, juvenile football, post leagues, I think what you can be a supporting team. I don't want Ghana football.
quick Bashwai na Obeshaw and then out of focus for be mine when need for the 15th time no we there I do mama yin say if you no be announce Ejuma started and Shawanma because young akọ farmer dey
sports complex I think it's a very big club like Accra Football. By now they should even have a stadium of their own. What to talk of sports complex. I think say Obiman project no almost at here. Ya hwɛ anim ɛnɛ yɛbɛtwa so ɛnɛ yɛreyɛ sɛ sikasɛm wei management foforɔ aba wɔasesa kyɛ sɛ ayɛ biribi a biribi si basaa nti ɛnɛ yi nyame adom na sɛ Obiman sports complex bi wɔrefi ase wɔrefi ase koraa deda wɔde yɛdum pɛpɛ foforɔ bigye sɛ bɛboa ha sofo yie going forward na bɛboa ha sofo paa bɛbɔ because wonya stadium ana wonya sports complex of their own I think it's not bad. It's not bad.
I don't know
I don't know. Now, let's can be a clear for Mohamed Kudus.
Move no.
As a young chap, a very good player. I think Ayaz is a very good teamer who promotes young talent. Looking at the young coach Eric Ten Hag, chances of the man, the leg to them, Frankie De Jong, David Neres. I think Ayaz is one through it and his development. I think it's a very good decision. Everybody say, young Ghanaian players, when you have opportunities, you know, work for Cyprus, work for we work on 2000. When you have big things in say, I ask Madrid no be more. On PSV, I know even and one. In fact, Susan Papa Ray, and my national team. It means that a very good move. Now, development and going forward, so I don't want to because I was very young. I ask and one decision.
Okay, Ayaz ebeboa abanta yɛpɛ no Mohamed Kudus no yɛ wode yɛwie na memfa comment ne fam ne fidi na yɛmpɔn ara
ɛne Pullman akɔso and I think it's member heart management and I think the board in here but especially Toby Afede say you know for so many years since 1911 had to full club na ɛwɔ hɔ no and he wearing a ultramodern sports complex and he will be to me once this one work as a year away and the same applies to Kodoko. I think it's also one start with the Ajaku Jachi project now.
And then the matter say what Kofi Annan say sika wo mo kura en e hosa
Kobia enye sika wo kura en
go say be project wo
say be
go to the pechi wo be
the whole of a coupon dem mo their ideas no e say they want plan proper measures in your Kwema won't be fine. I think say both clubs no deserves better. And Ghana football. One year one facilities na more Ghana football.
Okay, has to folk any protocol. Masuma because match it's been long. It is been say mutumi nya bibiana mo ye mo academy correct na players no mutumi attitude bi e wo already ma Ghana na Blasters nso enya so emfa so e wo comment no abrante ayefe no Ram number so o say we are proud of you Akro Life Juma ebo no nani je hu ye papa sa so ana Eugene no Poku ono so e dey ato say more fire ono so kire na adwene e wo ho Asante Bequin ono so say please invite George Mark. He is very critical analyst in sports. Okay. Ono so e dey aba o say Owakoko nenu yemu nya because na e ana and they want to make okay and na commenter ewo ekoso ewo ho nso no sabi no e say ye dey dwumedi no e be wie ya pon anu no say and then say no 5:30 to 6:30 by say emre no kakra
30 minutes now
for now
then manage your back asana then was am out for any job then manage your back asana ya wo check kakra ka na
ya for now
dia ko mami musi me colleague back on Eric na Pesibo and GFM otina any birthday mami should happy birthday sansa me ni abia Mimi abia nkasa Erama Ponsa Eddie once me Kwame Ponsa no Erama Ponsa Eddie ono to china any birthday ono Valley View University my wish happy birthday no na feel so Paul Blackman Eddie ono so papa me ma no mintiano na bibia so fine na na fia nto wo so heavy
na na ima so
na this abuaji MC
Yechiano MC on to Yechiano give papa but try wo Rebecca
I'm looking forward to be on the platform.
Akro Life.
Remember, platform so abiri biara akonya biara mbɔto nsa frɛ me biara no so mewɔ hɔ de akonya yɛyɛ aseda nsɔre ma management sɛ ametumi to nsa de frɛ me nkyia bere nkɔma yɛ tiefo nyinaa wɔyɛ nwaso yɛde ɛtie yɛn ɛde wɔn suggestions ne ade nyinaa brɛ yɛde wɔn se
okay na nkyia nso nkɔma producer papa a yɛfrɛ no Nana Sapori Fianko ɔhene baako pɛ nkyia nkɔma no saa nso na live technician papa Eugene Opoku ɔno nso bo adwuma yie o ɔno na adwuma ne dɔɔso ɔno ano yɛ technician adwuma no ɔno nso na ayɛ kenkan me no nti no saa
adwuma de dɔɔso
nti nifi no ɛte apɔ kenkan me ɔno ɔde kenkan me no ɛba ɛwɔ Akro Live so nti na ya na etiefoɔ nso enya so etie ɛboa pa wonya wo ne wo ma na mo te hɔ na
ɔyɛ heavy ɔyɛ sɛ no kyerɛ books no sɛ
homa pa biapi mu twi homa de akenkan de ɔyɛ ade nti Eugene Opoku ɔno nso aseda nkɔma ɛwɔ hɔ no mo ana TY Barbering Saloon
fantastic
yenya wɔn a
me am sɛ me tena se na bibia so yɛ fine
bibia ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ nti woba ekropɔn ekuapem ɛyɛ TY Barbering Saloon baako pɛ woba na wabetwa oti kunse na nso wetumi ɛkɔ hɔ me a me di dwumadie no ho kyia me ɛnnɛ ɛyɛ Krɔbea Asante me ne Nana Kwame Amponsa edi ɛne Bashoayi yɛna yɛde dwumadie no nyame ɛyɛ adom a dasɛnɛ yɛbɛsan ehyia ɛwɔ Akro Live so ne yɛde Akro Live Sports abrɛ etiefoɔ nyinaa yɛafram